How's it going, guys? I just wanted to share with y'all how to get free service on Straight Talk. All you gotta do is sign up for the rewards. And you can use this code here. Yeah, if you've only signed up within the last 14 days, I think it says you can go ahead and get you a free month of service using this code here. GWLP-BEBO. You have free month of service. So go ahead and sign up for Straight Talk, get your free service. Be sure to put that code in, that way you can get it. Thanks for watching.